to do, smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time for the video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty, everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. Smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment shout out to join for the comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Dabi from the new season of My Hero Academia. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I think the outcome came out super clean. I really love how the character design for Dabi is for this season, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this much as I did. And if you want to see more My Hero Academia drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to be leaving some drawing playlists in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters I've drawn for that you really like, so I'm sure to check it out since we in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist there for My Hero Academia, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.